Hi, I'm Patrick, the Laundry Evangelist, and welcome to my laundry room. A lot of people ask me, well, how does the washing machine work? And do you have a preference between a front loader or a top loader? I'm going to tell you how the washing machine works, and I'm going to tell you now I don't have a preference. The way the front loader works is if you imagine the tumble, the clothes are down in the water, they come up and they fall back into the water. They come up and they fall back into the water. That's a really important thing to know because the water forcing through the clothes is a key part of the washing process. If you go into a top loader and you have a new HE top loader that doesn't have an agitator, you'll notice the clothes come up and go down, and they come up and they go down, almost like a carousel. The water forcing through the clothes as they fall back into the water is really what's getting the clothes clean. If you have a washing machine that still has an agitator, the agitator is actually what's moving the clothes and forcing the water through them as it sort of turns and jerks. All of these things are doing the same thing. They're forcing the water through the clothes. Now, it's really important that you allow the washing machine to do what it's meant to do. If you have an HE top loader or you have an HE front loader, don't try to trick it by getting to add more water because you think more water is going to get the clothes cleaner. A lot of people with a lot of intellect created that washing machine to be totally efficient. So let it be totally efficient. Don't try to trick it by saying that you have a heavy load or you're doing extra water because you think that's better. It's actually counterintuitive. You need the clothes to be able to come out of the water and go back in the water to create the cleaning process. If you have so much water in there that you take that process away, your clothes aren't coming as clean. It seems strange, that's how it works. So thanks for watching. I'm Patrick the Laundry Evangelist. Have a great day.